Welcome back to another Prairie Sunset Ranch farm vlog. I'm Aaron the Beef Baron. Thank you for tuning in, my friends. Well, I was gonna do this this footage from the outside. I was gonna go outside for this, but it's way too windy right now. The wind really picked up. It's gusting out here. It's gotta be gusting close to 90 kilometers an hour. So we'll just stay in the comfort of our cab and I'll tell you what's going on. Basically, in this video, we had all 4 seasons in a day and a half here in Manitoba. We are in the Interlake region, where we're between 2 big lakes, so the weather is pretty crazy out here. It goes from really nice to crazy to snow to rain to whatever, you name it. But I'm not complaining about the moisture. We definitely need some moisture in the ground. So we got a little bit. It won't accumulate too much, but it's something. It's better than nothing. But with that, we also got the cold. Tonight's supposed to be really cold, double digits minus again. So we got to make sure all the animals are looked after. So with this weather, it's snowing and blowing, but it's not snowing, it's more just blowing now. So I had to go and we have to bed in all of the areas where there's no wind, where they're out of the wind. So we got to make sure all the animals are comfortable. They stay clean, warm, dry, bedded. So that's the key. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking after the animals. We're going to be bedding. We're going to be doing some feeding up. And we got a few other things to do in between there. So that's enough chit-chat here. And let's pitter, patter, and get at her. Woo! Too much coffee. It's great. Well, remember, if you've already subscribed to Prairie Sunset Ranch and hit that bell chime, hit the thumbs up, then that's the way, Aaron likes it, that's the way, do-do-do, Aaron likes it, do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. It's a shame you couldn't see the dance going on. It was very Ukrainian, it was very cringy. Probably best to be not seen. Well, it is very nice right now. It wasn't. I got my winter jacket on. It was cold this morning. It was really cold. Freezing cold. The cows that are out back, I went and chopped some ice for them. It is now probably about 15 above. Now there's a huge system moving our way from Alberta, Saskatchewan border. And apparently, it's going to go from 15 above and it's going to continually drop, they say, to minus 19 with the wind chill factor tonight. So I have a calf in the middle. We have 5 cows there. We had 1 calf there already, but we just have a fresh calf there. So I got to go get that calf. I'm going to bring it into the front and I'm going to lock it in a pen in the front just to make sure, because it won't know any better. It might still be damp. And you can't just leave it out there. So I'm gonna move it. So anyways, let's go get that the calf into the front there. I think the mom, she's a fairly young mom, but she's nice. Just not a huge fan of mine. But she's okay. So it should be okay. The other cow in there though, she'll put me down if she has to. So I gotta watch her. Her calf can stay there. It's a week old already, so not too worried about that. It can go into the little shelter. We have a shelter in the middle, I'll show you guys. And it can go in there for shelter. So little cowboy Hoyt doesn't need training wheels anymore. He rides it like a big boy. So he's gonna show you, what did you want to show them?
I'm gonna show them I can do a skittle.
A skid? Okay.
Skid.
You're gonna do some mad endos or what? You think Ryan at Straight Pipe Acres can do a skittle?
No.
No way, eh?
No.
You challenge him to a skittle?
Yeah.
Hey, you heard that, Ryan. Ryan, you heard the young man. He challenged you to a skittle. I bet you he'll win. Whoa, look at him go. Whew. Not bad, young man. Oh, you see that skittle? Look at the skid. How many feet is that?
Like so.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. 6 feet? 6 feet of skittle. Beat that, old straight pipe.
That's how Manitoba people do skittles. Beat that old string pipe.
Yeah, beat that old string pipe. Just close this middle gate and open this up. And we're in we're in business, people. Well, I don't know where she is. She's hiding it out somewhere, but gotta go find it. Well, this is gonna be fun. The weather's gonna get bad. This guy's brand new. Looks like a little girl to me. Holy, she's running already. She was just born. Literally just. Good mama. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, Goof. Let's go. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. I'm not gonna hurt your baby. Come on. There's no snow, so I can't get the sled. Relax. Relax. Here. Here. Relax. I don't like pretty worked up. Make sure I just don't want her behind me is what I really don't want. Here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Oh, there comes the other mom behind me. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. This other one behind me is wicked. This girl, I don't have much dealings with her. I never trust a new mom. Never. They will kill you before a bull will. I'll tell you that much. Hello. Now, why am I doing this? I'm doing this because there's a storm coming. Real wicked storm, they say. It's gonna drop 20 degrees, 20 some degrees, with snow, blowing snow. So I don't want this newborn sitting right in the wind. So I want it to go to the barn. The other guy will probably run into the shelter. He's been in here for a couple weeks, so he knows already. This guy doesn't. So it's just the way you gotta do it. These newborns can make some poor choices come a storm time. Okay, sweetie, let's go. Let's go, little girl. Let's go, sweetie. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go, sweetie pie. Come on. There you go. Here, mama. Let's go, mama. Go, go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Yep. This one's gonna get out of here. Thank you. Remember to visit again, my friend. Don't calve tonight. At least it wasn't from the back pasture. This was just a nice little walk in the park. Come on, girl. Yep. Let's go. Yep. There we go. Nope. Yep. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yep. There you go. There you go. Yep. There. There. There we go. That went easy. Now the other calf in there, I'm gonna leave it because it's fairly old already. It knows the process. It knows there's shelter there. I saw it hanging out where that bale is inside the shelter, and that's what I wanted. I want them to be able to, you know, go into the shelter. This guy wouldn't. He was just born. He doesn't know any better. And then when the weather gets nice in a couple days, it's gonna get sloppy, especially if we do get the snow today. Then these guys will be separated, and we're gonna let the youngest ones into here, and the oldest ones will go into the front with their buddies. Come, have some water, my friend. Come have water, my friend. There you go, big girl. So, perfect. Well, winter again. It's fairly nice yesterday. Not today. Not today. So, I gotta head out and I gotta bed animals. What else can you do in this, eh? You gotta keep the animals dry. Well, now we got that frozen twine, all those frozen twines off. Better bed for these dudes. A little bit there, a little bit over there, a little bit over here, a little bit over there. Winter can just frig off anytime now. I'm sick of it already. I am officially done with winter. I'm going on winter strike after this. This is it, people. Strike day after this. Maybe not. I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna toss hay like a wild man. Hay pitching time, whipping a choice. 5-prong fork, baby. 5 prongs of a hay hauling pleasure. Hey, Peaches. Hey, Angry Mom. You're in for a treat. You get a bird's eye view of me flinging some straw, baby. Ow! Watch out! Watch out there, dudes. Or here, I'll just watch out. I don't want to interrupt you during your... Are you meditating? Hey there, Angry Mom, are you meditating? Maybe. Little dude's liking it for sure. There we go. They're bedded pretty good. Well, I'm just gonna spread this for the heifers and their calves. And they got their good bale. Gonna bed up the barns. Everything will be good here and cozy. Quit snowing. We're not supposed to get any more precipitation. So that's why I didn't come out earlier and do it. I wanted to make sure it was done spitting out, because there's no point bedding and having it get rained on and being wet again. So let's patter, patter, get at her. But this is the main objective. Keep a nice thick dry cushion between them and the wetness and all that gunk and bacteria. So I think they like it. Welcome to this episode of Prairie Sunset Ranch Cribs. Well, as you can tell, coming up to this house, there's a nice golden sidewalk. What? Whoa, you can see it's very open space. It's about 3,400 square feet of open living space. Not bad. One downfall to this house is it's only a single bedroom, but you can pack in the little nose lickers. They're liking it. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Prairie Sunset Ranch Cribs. Well, just like that, I am throwing in the towel. This is Aaron signing off. We will see you next weekend. with an all-new Prairie Sunset Ranch farm vlog. Be there or be square, my friends. Cheers until then. Take it easy. Bye for now.